Hey guys, it's Wayne Scully, CPA here, bringing you another awesome and informative video. My firm is W Scully CPA PC, and we are located in Forest Hills, Queens. We meet clients by appointment only. However, there's no need to make an appointment to visit our website at www.wscullycpa.com. At W Scully CPA PC, we focus on providing solutions to landlords, flippers, and real estate pros so they can save thousands of dollars. Taxing you is their job, saving you is ours, or we'll give you $100, okay? Today's topic is how to complete Form 9465. It's the form that you use to request an installment agreement. It's part of your tax prep package. If you're preparing your tax return via software, you'll be able to use that, complete that form, and make that request as you submit the return. Without further ado, let me discuss how you kind of move through the form to complete it and request your installment agreement, aka payment plan. So I'm going to bring that up. I did have a client this past season who had that issue, and I just changed his name to protect the innocent so that you can kind of see real numbers based on real situation with this particular client. Let me do that. Guys, I appreciate you joining me. Ultimately, what the client did was he went ahead and made the payments online, okay? Direct payment to the IRS. That's what he did. They would debit the account for $250 on the 15th. So in this case, it would be April 15th. It would be as soon as they get the form and process it, they would take it immediately after. As I mentioned before, we don't typically use this form as professionals, and you can surely do it on your own, but I would strongly advise against doing that, especially if you owe over $10,000. So he has to put in his routing number. The routing number is accurate, but the account number, obviously I've changed that as well to protect the innocent. I have to protect my client's information. That's really paramount. So it says here you authorize the U.S. Treasury and its designated financial agent to initiate a monthly ACH debit, electronic withdrawal entry to the financial institution account indicated for payments of my federal taxes owed. So this is just you signing off that you are okay with them taking the money from your account. So it says here, I also authorize the financial institutions involved in the processing of the electronic payments of taxes to receive confidential information necessary to answer inquiries and resolve issues related to the payments. And then you can revoke the payment by contacting the IRS no later than 14 days prior to the payment date. If we selected the 15th and that was the date we're submitting the forms, we would have no opportunity to cancel the payment. So if you're a low income taxpayer, you get to save on some fees, the user fees, you get to save on that. And you have to sign and date the form. You sign and date, okay? And your spouse has to sign if it's a joint return. And here's some additional information for you. So if you defaulted an installment agreement in the past 12 months and you owe $25,000, more than $25,000, but not in excess of $50,000, and the amount on line 11A is less than line 10. So 11A, right? If this is less than line 10 and you meet the other conditions above number 1, number 2, then you may want to complete this other information here, okay? Share your household expenses. Do you share your household expenses with your spouse? You have to answer yes or no to that. How many dependents do you have? How many are older than 65 years of age? How often do you get paid? It's kind of taking you through what we do on the form 433F or A, or 433B if you're in business. If you're a business, you're a corporate taxpayer. Okay, there is some flexibility here. Going through certain questions that would come up on those on the 433F, 433A, or the 433B, the collection financial statements, it's called. So it's an affidavit where you explain or illustrate all your expenses to us initially as a tax pro, so we can determine what the best course of action would be for resolving your case. So guys, that's it for me. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message, drop it in the chat. I'm going to be making these videos probably once a week to educate and inform folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to talking to you next time.